In this video, I want to show you the leads that I've collected and how powerful is this strategy. I have a few leads for different niche and I've just renamed it because I didn't want to disclose my niche in this course. But once you have gathered your leads in an Excel file, you may want to rename it to the particular niche. Maybe this is a dog training and this is a WordPress training, or this is a video services. But let's just take a look at the list number 1. And what I have is the Facebook UID, the name, and even the gender and the birthday, the email, phone number, and the location. For me, what I use is normally the name and an email, and occasionally I will use a location because if I want to target a particular location. And let's go down and see how big is this list. And I have about 14,000 contacts for this particular list. And let's take a look at the other list. This is another totally different niche. And same thing, I got a Facebook UID, the name, gender, birthday, email, phone, and location. Of course, the email is what I want. And how big is this list? And this is about 8,000 contacts. And this is the list number 4. Same thing. And how much do I have for this? I have about 8,000 contacts as well. And list number 3. How big is the list? There's over 26,000 contacts for this particular list. And these are all targeted lists. And with all this in total, I have more than 50,000 targeted email leads. And I can still continue growing the list if I want to. This is just the beginning. I hope you see the power of building your email list without a website, without an opt-in, without creating any kind of free ebook or giveaway, or create any kind of contest to get your email list. There's no need for that. Thank you.